This is Saturday Snaps with G for Youth Underground. And this is the story of Chrystul Kizer, a victim of sex trafficking who is currently in prison for killing her alleged sex trafficker Randy Volar. Volar met Chrystul through Backpage.com, a website which has since been shut down for facilitating sex trafficking and child pornography. He sexually abused Chrystul multiple times and filmed it, and he similarly abused a dozen of underage girls. He was arrested in February 2018 on charges including child sexual abuse, but was released in 2018 without bail. He remained free until the then 17-year-old Chrystul shot him in the head, lit his house on fire, and fled in his car. Now Chrystul is being charged with first-degree intentional homicide and arson, which carries a life sentence in Wisconsin. And this is where it gets really interesting. Chrystul maintains that she did not intentionally commit the murder, but she shot Volar in self-defense. But the district attorney maintains that the murder, in fact, was premeditated. Under the federal law, all children born or sold for sex are victims of trafficking. In fact, many states in America, including Wisconsin, give the victims of child sex trafficking an affirmative defense. What this means that if Chrystul can prove in trial that she committed a crime because she was being trafficked, she can be acquitted of certain charges. However, the law does not say anything about these crimes being premeditated. In a similar story Youth Underground covered earlier, Cyntoia Brown, who was also trafficked for sex and escaped after killing her abuser, was imprisoned. It took A-lister celebrities like Rihanna and Kim Kardashian to bring the much-needed public attention to her case. Cyntoia Brown was ultimately granted clemency after a result of this public attention. Stories like this highlight the systemic problem in the justice system, and cases like Cyntoia and Chrystul Kizer are important for setting precedent that can help future cases. This is why it is so important for judges and lawmakers to step up and clarify the existing laws in place. Chrystul Kizer was a victim of child sex trafficking, and it seems to be that she is being tried as an adult. It's important to remember that Chrystul's trafficking story echoes the story of the vast majority of trafficking in America right now. These are emotionally vulnerable children who are not smuggled across the border but groomed by someone they trusted and manipulated into believing that they themselves are responsible for their own abuse. The real victims of child sex trafficking cases is the minor who has gone through this unimaginable abuse. Remember that one person wrongly incarcerated is one too many.